Some dude was nice enough to give me a ride to the summit up here. I left the guys behind. I was tired, but we were so close, you know. Kind of feel like probably should have just hung in there. Oh well. There they are. They weren't too far behind, maybe like 5-10 minutes, if that.
Sleeping doesn't exist for our family. Boys are both just like, hey, what time do they pop up? 5:30.
All right, they might say something stupid. I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh, did you go on?
No, you.
Wait. I thought you wanted. Did you say?
I gotta say battery, yeah.
Now, when you say right, you mean this way?
Here, yeah.
Wait, not here?
Right.
No, we go left here.
No, they
Yeah.
go this way.
Yeah, you can go this way.
They go 2 ways, I think. Have you been the right way, Heber?
No, but I see it on the map.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go this way?
Yeah. Woo! What? Go ahead, go ahead.
You're done.
Whew. Wow, these guys are good. I missed it. I wanted to see if I could get him jump. All this is burnt from the recent California fires. This is less than 5 miles from where I live. Rode our bikes up here this morning to the top of Empire Grade. This is dog leash. All right, here we go, barking dogs from the dog leash trail. Better just slam my seat real quick.
Right.
This is right. Right, you said?
No, left. No, yeah, right.
Right?
Yeah. Hey, you go left, that's the neighborhood.
Oh, that makes sense.
Gonna take it slow, Joaquin. I might be able to keep up with you guys. It's all downhill, right? Glad we didn't come out here when it was way more wet. Oh. These are way gone. I'm sloppy all over the place. I don't know if I'll be able to keep up. It's okay, they didn't want to be in the video anyway. Whew, loose dirt. Thanks, Joaquin. Yeah. This is it, right? The big drop. Whew. No.
You just gotta come with that speed, right?
Yeah.
Speed, we'll take the middle.
All right. I saw you go for it, Joaquin. I was like, no, not me.
I didn't know what the other side looks like.